Mainly he discussed Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
What kind of discussion? Karma, Jnana, Yoga, Bhakti.
He's asking what did he speak?
I know Niskinchan Maharaj was very happy with his explanation.
Niskinchan Maharaj?
Niskinchan Maharaj,
Ah,
no decision.
no decision.
Gita in Vitna say like that, say like that, say like that. But what is the conclusion? From Gita.
What? Bhagavad Maharaj.
No, he asked Niskinchan Maharaj.
Oh.
What did you learn by this Gita?
Not Niskinchan Maharaj, I would also like to know from him the gist of the Gita.
From myself.
Yes.
Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mangnamaskuru. Mame vaishyasi sachante pratidhyane priyasime.
That is the gist.
This is the final conclusion.
Final conclusion. But Lord Chaitanya
He said, Sarvadhamam Parichitya, this is external. Eho bhagya.
Yavajju. It is not accepted by the Lord Chaitanya. If you are the followers of Lord Chaitanya, then how is it possible for you to accept it?
He did not accept Sarvadhamam Parichitya, but he did not reject Manmana bhavamad bhakto.
Well, how you can prove yourself that you are the followers of Lord Chaitanya? If Lord Chaitanya is not accepted, then you are
No
not
following.
demon that I am the devotee of Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya accept only Jnani Jivanti
Yo mukhari
na Jivan Sanmukharidam Bhavadyavattam Sthani Sthita Srutigatam Tanuvang Mano Je Praise Jito Jita Pesi Paistila Yar Chaitanya accepted.
ये श्लोक तो भागवत के है ना?
ना हाँ भागवत के ब्रह्मा का स्तुति
गीता का तो नहीं है?
ना ना
Bhagavatam.
भागवत ब्रह्मा स्तुति।
Hayen Brahma learn by stolen calf and cowboy and Lord Chaitanya grace. Then he knows.
Krishna bliss.
Then he uttered this. First of all, he told Krishna is the son of the
Nanda Baba.
Pashupala.
Nanda Maharaj.
Nanda Baba.
Pashupati.
Son of
पशुपालन
क्या?
वो जो पशु पालने वाला है उसका
son of a Gwala.
Not Supreme Personality.
What does they know? They are not knowing anything. So he is standing he is not knowing the Veda and the teachings of Veda, how is it possible for him that he is a God? As the God is the speaker of the Veda, why he not known the Veda laws, Veda teachings? So I cannot believe that he is. But when the Krishna teach the lesson, then he changed his mind. And change everything. Oh, Tidhanna, Brajago Ramanya. The Braj go, cow, and the Braj Gopi, they are Dhanna. Because Krishna taken milk from the cow for whole the year, like his calf. And Krishna drink the breast of Gopi for whole the years. So they are so fortunate. I am not. Who didn't? And change his thinking, everything. After years, stolen the cow boy and calf. So, the people can know regarding Krishna. And Krishna is right to teach him. Other is not. Entirely depend on the grace of Krishna. Without the grace of Krishna, nobody can. So, to know the Gita through the devotee of Lord Chaitanya, otherwise it is not possible for you. Because you are puzzled reading Gita. And Gita describes the karma, and there he told karma is supreme. And towards the jnana, jnana is supreme. And yoga, yoga is supreme. And bhakti, bhakti is. How can you decide it? Is it possible for you? But if you listen to the Gita through a devotee, then once a Gita Premi of Sarvodaya Sangha going through trade with our Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. They are karma yogi and they praise karma. Babaji Maharaj, very smart. Not discuss much more. Very simple speech. I like to know the Gita told कर्म दोष बदत्ते को कर्म संगेर मरीचना. What is the meaning of that sloka? I cannot understand. Gita prays and Gita prays for niskam karma. What is niskam karma? What is the definition of niskam karma?
He was asking? He was asking.
Krishnadas Babaji?
Yeah, he was asking yogis.
And so many passengers there. What is the definition of niskam karma?
Means yoga performed without any desire, without any... He was asking.
He will give his reply.
You give me the reply. What is niskam karma?
I should say?
Yes.
It's it means that it's work performed for the without any desire for any return. Nishkam.
You can do anything without any desire?
No, I can't.
So how it is possible for you? Then immediately one passenger replied, Maharaj, it is not possible because we are start karma. First of all, we know the benefit of the karma. If we start a factory, first of all we know the return of the factory, then we start. So it is not possible. What? Niskam karma? No benefit. Is it possible? Why Gita told like that? Karmanye vadhikaraste mahapalai sukadachana. Is it possible?
For me, not possible.
Not possible. Because by this way, Krishna change your mind regarding bhakti. When you think it is not possible, then you think twice, is it possible for me? फिर गीता told जगर्थात कुरुते कर्म अन्यत्र लोकयम कर्म बंधना. Jaggarthat kuriti karma. He can do the karma for Jagga. What is Jagga? Jagga means
to satisfy the Lord.
Jagga means Vishnu. Jagga vai Vishnu. Then you work for the Vishnu. And what for the Vishnu is identical with Bhakti, Seva. भाई इधर इधर Krishna torn you regarding bhakti. So, it is easier than sun, said than sun, done. Is it possible? No. Niskam karma, niskam karma. What is niskam karma? Babaji Maharaj question. Is it possible to you? It is not possible for me. If it is possible to you, you teach me. Then the audience, all of them are replying, not. It is not possible. Because we are all India students. Before starting the karma, we think the benefit of it. Then we start. How is it possible? Karmanne vedhikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. Practical बताओ. No.
Yeah.
They call you all. No.
It's so wonderful to hear you talking again. It is so wonderful to hear you talking again. We were missing too much.
So, one good scholar comes in function. Name A.T. Ganguly. Good scholar.
Kolkata.
And he told gold medalist regarding Niskam Karma. After listening sometime, it is my great blunder, Niskam Karma. I preach for Niskam Karma, but it is not possible for me. How to execute it? Then he changed, and he in the Sabha. It is my great blunder. I preach Niskam Karma, which is impossible for me, or impossible for anybody. Bell, warning.
Later we will continue.
Chalo. My dear.